Guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can fix the matrix rowing machine. The console keep switching off, so you can see here if I keep rowing then the console will show the display, but as soon as I stop the console will switches off. Now the most likely case is the battery on the console is dead or is malfunction. Now the other alternative issues is the rechargeable component down here is not producing the rechargeable power. So the first thing that you want to do is try to roll your machine for around 30 to 60 minutes continuously, so that it will try to kickstart the battery again if the battery hasn't been used for a long time, or if you left your rowing machine sitting still idle for more than a year, then the battery is completely drained and it could die. So what you want to do is try to roll for 30 minutes, see if you can kickstart the battery. If not, you will need to open up this console and replace the battery. Now on this console here, there are 2 screws at the top and 2 at the bottom. Together there are 4 screws. Just simply remove them. You can use a Phillips. This is the screw head. So simply remove them. And then after that we can open up the unit like this. And you can see inside the unit there is a battery, rechargeable battery. We just need to disconnect the battery and the wire right here. Once it is disconnected and removed, you can buy a replacement. They are fairly cheap online, so you can buy a new pack of battery and then plug it back in, and it should be able to fix the problem. But again, try to roll your machine first, see if it works. If it doesn't, then we try to replace the battery. But once you replace this battery component here with a new one, then you should be able to fix the problem. Okay, so here I've removed the battery, and we can now try to purchase and replace a new one. And that's it, guys. Give it a try and see how you go after replacing the battery or after you have rolled your machine for 30 minutes. Please leave a comment and tell me what fixes your issue. Thank you for watching.